receive a box. It's going to look just like this. Open it up. It'll have a hard drive. It's already got the mounts on it, and it'll have a cable. You're going to need both these items. So to start, power off the PC. Once the PC is powered off, remove the cable. The power cable, it'll be black, it'll be on top. Open up the cage by pulling this. Door will come off. You're going to slide the drive into the chassis. Just like that. You're going to plug in the power. The cables can only go one way, so you don't have to worry about plugging it in wrong. You're going to take the cable and you're going to plug it into the white port on your motherboard. Will be right here. There will be a black and a white one right next to each other, as you can see. Make sure you plug it into the white one. Route the cable just above the fan. It's going to come down and plug into the hard drive that you just installed. Once that's done, you're going to go ahead and plug the power cable back in. You're going to put the chassis back on. You're going to power on the system, and you're going to press F2 until you come to the BIOS menu. It'll enter setup. You're going to go down to drives, and then you're going to go into the select drives. In drives, you're going to check the SATA-2 box. After you've checked it, click apply, then exit. System will reboot and the drive will be active.